Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock on your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find Face ID. Input your currently logged method. In my case it's very common, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 passcode. Right now we have to click here to set up the Face ID. Read the description right here, then tap to get started. And right now we have to keep our head like that and move from the right to the left. Okay, there's the first one, so let's go for the second. Click continue. And right now do the same, but do it slowly. And the second was also complete. Right now we can click done. And here tap on the power key and tap it one more time. And as you can see, our face was recognized, so we can simply swipe to open and use our iPhone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.